here on our first veteran project. Want to walk you through, kind of see what the guys got going on. It's demo day, so let's get it. Looking at the prints. Cut that down. Open it up. It's going to be a new bathroom in there. I'm going to show you the print. These two bedrooms are connecting. So we're eliminating this whole area and gonna open it up to one big bedroom. Barn door right here. Here they will open up. The doorway here to make it 36. Also shower moves here. And we eliminate all of this. It's gonna be a whole new opened up space. You see who we got in here. Yes, sir. SC Remodel is in the building. So here we created, of course, we moved the tub from here to there. And since it's wheelchair accessible, we had to do a zero entry. If you look closely, and I did this on another video, it's the plywood. They put runners along each side and dropped it in to make it flush to the trusses. Now we'll put our Sluter panel on top of here, okay? Along with doing our Sluter panels around, and that will allow us to have a zero entry, meaning the same floor from there all the way out, right? This here is going to have a slope. It'll be built up with that pan that goes in for the Sluter, but that is how you do that zero entry. We'll do water wall there, and again, still put toilet there with a little bit more room, and still put vanity here. We are planning to move this vent if it's allowable. If not, we'll have to put a small little bump out there to make this work, but that's going to be up to the plumber when he does his inspection. But the drain, again, is going to move to the center, and it may just be a little offset there, knowing that the truss is there. But this is going to allow us to come in through the door. Door opens up this way. Wheelchair can come in, and it also can turn and go in. All right. So that was the goal there. And with the toilet, we need to put some grab bars in there, and probably on the back as well for the veteran to get up. And we'll do a wheelchair accessible center part, and a stack there and a stack there. Kevin here at Contractor Envy, and I want to inspire you to do what you do best and nail it.